Hello, my name is Rahul Nirmal, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how to use a tool called Robocopy that's built into Microsoft Windows. And Robocopy basically is a better version of the traditional copy and paste system that you may have used over the years and decades, myself included, where we would use Control C on our keyboard to copy files and then Control V to paste them. And so Robocopy makes the copying process from one folder to another much more efficient and faster, and is useful especially for backing up your data. So let's go onto my computer and I'll show you exactly how it works. Okay, so now I'm in front of my Windows 11 laptop and I have File Explorer opened. So I'm going to go to the Documents folder, and here is a .bat file or a Windows batch file that I'd created in Notepad, which has the Robocopy command. So I'm going to right click and open it in Notepad, and this is what the code looks like. So you would type in Robocopy, you would then put in the origin directory, the destination directory, and then the /mir stands for mirror. So this will make sure that the origin and destination folders are exactly matched up. So if you add any files or folders to the origin, it will copy it over to the destination. And conversely, if you delete anything from the origin, it will also then delete it from the destination. And then this /mt:16 means that it will copy 16 files at a time using your computer's multi-threaded capabilities, which all modern CPUs have. So let's go to C drive on my laptop, and this is the folder that I wanted to back up, $data. Let's right-click it and go to Properties. And we can see it's a very large folder, 100 gigabytes, and it has over 32,000 files and over 5,300 folders. And then we'll go to my external USB drive, D drive, and this is the backup -$data. Now I'd run Robocopy earlier, so it did an exact one-to-one backup. And just to show you, I'll go to Properties, and then it'll take a while for it to populate, so just give it a few seconds. So it matches up exactly to my C drive on my laptop. So the backup was completely perfect. So now to demonstrate Robocopy, I'm going to go back to the origin directory here, and I'm going to add a brand new folder. And I'm going to call it test. And then inside the folder, I'm going to create a new text file, also called test. Then I'll open it up and I'll just type in some text. So now when I run the Robocopy batch file again, it will copy my test folder and the test file to my D drive, the destination. Let's go back to Documents, and let's double click it to run the command. And then you can see it's done it very quickly because the differences were very small. Then you can see over here, it populated all of the information, which is very comprehensive. And so just to prove to you that it worked, let's go again and look at the properties of the origin folder. So see, now it's 32,206 files, 5,347. Let's go to the destination folder, properties. And again, 32,206 files, 5,347 folders. Let's open it up. And you can see that it did copy it. So it made an exact one-to-one copy. So that's Robocopy in action.